Our team at SafeSpace Global is a world-class team. We built a world-class board, and we're on our way to the New York Stock Exchange American.
It started with fall detection. It is really unlimited what the possibilities are. Currently our core focus is senior living, schools, prison systems, and transportation.
There are very exciting times ahead as we build this AI-first platform to serve our global customer base.
So we're seeing steady interest from channel partners all across APAC. Many see SafeSpace as a serious technological breakthrough, so the momentum is real.
We are planting seeds across APAC, and I can already tell that SafeSpace is solving something that people deeply care about.
Super excited about SafeSpace's investment into international, APAC via Singapore and Europe via London, the UK and other countries across the EU, and particularly about our investment into our people, into our businesses, into our technology, ultimately to help solve our customers' problems, challenges, so that the sun will never set on our ability to help save lives.
SafeSpace!